You know the Gmail address you created years ago when you were still a kid? Maybe back in primary school or secondary school. Yeah, that embarrassing Gmail address you got stuck with for years. It's time to change the name. And after changing your Gmail address, your password stays the same. Your Google account stays the same. Your email remains in your inbox. Your Google Drive files remain. Your YouTube account remains. Your old Gmail address becomes an alternate address that can still receive emails. Maybe you created it years ago, but now it looks unprofessional. For example, your Gmail address might be paparasam@gmail.com, but now you want something cleaner and short, like alex@gmail.com. The good news is that Google have started running a new feature that allows some users to change their Gmail address without creating a new account and without losing their emails, files, photos, or password. Let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. Open your Google account, tap on your profile picture, then tap Manage your Google account, scroll down a bit, look for your personal information, tap Personal Information, scroll down and tap Email, allow it to load. Next, tap Google account email, allow it to load. Look for the change option. If this new feature is available on your account, you will see a button called Change Google Account Email. Now tap on it. If you do not see this button, don't worry. Google is still rolling out features. It may not be available for your account yet. Scroll down, enter your new Gmail name. Now type in the new Gmail name you want. For example, old Gmail, chukuma@gmail.com. New Gmail, kalex@gmail.com. Very simple. Google will check whether the new Gmail address is available. If someone else is already using it, you need to choose another one. Confirm the change. After choosing available Gmail address, tap Change Email. Sometimes Google may ask you to enter your password for security reasons. Enter your password and continue. If they didn't ask you like my own here, just click Yes. Allow it to load. Wait for Google to complete the update. Google will now update your Gmail address. Don't worry, your inbox remains the same. Your emails remains the same. Your Google Drive files remains the same. Your YouTube account remains the same. Your Google Photos and every other thing remains the same. Only your Gmail address changes. Start using your new Gmail address. Once the process is complete, you can sign in with your new Gmail address. 1. This feature is still running out, so not everyone has it yet. 2. Your old Gmail address remains connected to your account and can still receive emails. 3. You do not lose your files, emails, photos, or account history. 4. The new Gmail address must be available and not already used by another person. 5. Google places limits on how often you can make these changes, so choose your new Gmail name carefully. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Gmail address without creating a new account and without losing any important data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Peace out.